Good morning, 7th grade. Today we're going to continue with Unit 7, Lesson 2, Pronouns after Prepositions. We're going to use as a reference pages 332 of your English book. Let us begin. A pronoun has one form when used as a subject and another when used as a direct or indirect object. So we're going to use the pronoun one way when we're using it as a subject of the sentence, and another way when it's acting like a direct or indirect object. For example, the subject pronoun I took a special course last summer. We're using it as the subject of the sentence. And the second example, as an object pronoun. Remember that subject pronouns and object pronouns are different. As an object pronoun, it taught me about camping in the wilderness. As an object pronoun, we can use it. We're using it in the predicate part of the sentence, or we're going to use it as the object of the preposition. The first rule is that when a pronoun is the object of a preposition, we're going to use an object pronoun. Again, when a pronoun is the object of the preposition, we're going to use an object pronoun. Jan and 4 others took the course with me. What is the preposition in that sentence? With. With is the preposition. So we're going to use an object pronoun. In this sentence, the object pronoun is me. Number 2. If the preposition has a compound object, however, you may have to stop and think about which form to use. If it has a compound object, you need to be careful. Stop and think about which pronoun you have to use. Our canoe trip was an adventure. For is the preposition, the instructor and us. For is the preposition. So the instructor and us is an object pronoun, and we have a compound object. The strong current pulled the paddles from Jan and her. From is the preposition, Jan and her the compound object, and we're going to use an object pronoun. Number 3. If you're in doubt about which pronoun to use, try using it alone. For example, for the instructor and we, how does that sound? Or for the instructor and us, that would be the correct answer for the instructor and us. From Jan and she, nah, that doesn't sound right. Or from Jan and her, that's the correct answer, her. When you name a series of people that includes yourself, it is considered courteous to refer to yourself last. Again, if you're talking about a bunch of people and that includes yourself, you have to refer to yourself last. Because of the others and me all reach shore safely. Again, if you're referring to a bunch of people and yourself, you have to refer to yourself last. Because of the others and me all reach shore safely. Let's do that, try it out. I handed the canteen of water to Amanda and she, or Amanda and her. We're using the preposition to, so I'll give you a couple of seconds. I handed the canteen of water to Amanda and her. 2. An empty canteen was returned to Phil and I, or Phil and me. And the preposition is to. Correct, it will be Phil and me. And 3. I look at the 2 sisters and him with concern, or he with concern. I looked at the 2 sisters and him with concern. Correct. Okay guys, I hope you understood. If you have any questions, please use Google Classroom. Have a nice day and a great week. See you later, guys.